Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain the QuickBooks accounting app review to see if it's worth using. QuickBooks Online is a comprehensive-based cloud accounting solution tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of plans, starting from the simple start with about $35 per month, and an initial plan of $65 per month, and a plus plan of $99 per month, together with an advanced plan of $235 per month, each designed to cater to different business needs. Features include automated bookkeeping, invoicing, expense tracking, tax deduction, receipt capture, and a cash flow management. The platform also integrates seamlessly with a various third-party apps like Shopify and PayPal, and also provide mobile access for on-the-go financial management. QuickBooks Online is ideal for businesses seeking a robust, scalable accounting solution with extensive features and integration. While it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners and can also become a costly as your business grow. Its comprehensive tools and a cloud accessibility make it valuable asset for managing finances effectively, and that's it.